Hi friends, we are ready for Wonders Unit 3, Week 3, Day 4. This week we've been talking about what is a folktale, and we know that a folktale is a story that has been passed on from generation to generation. We have read the story about the mitten, we've read the story about the gingerbread man, right? We've read some stories about folktales. All right, let's talk about some of our vocab words and let's answer some questions. Who is the hero of your favorite tale? Who is the hero of your favorite tale? I'm thinking of my favorite folk tale, and I think my favorite hero would be probably Beauty from Beauty and the Beast. That would be my favorite. All right, what is your favorite tale? What is your favorite tale? I really like Little Red Riding Hood. What's yours? What is something that you learned to do eventually after a lot of work? What's something that you had to work really, really hard at and eventually you got it down after trying and trying and trying? Something that was really hard for me and that I had to work really, really hard at when I was little was it was really hard for me to read. It was so hard for me to read. And with practice and working really hard, I became a great reader. So I want you to think of something that was really hard at first and you eventually learned how to do it. Can you think of a story character who was foolish? We were talking about, remember this week we read about the interrupting chicken, right? And the little red chicken was a little bit foolish, right? He kept interrupting and he didn't need to. He was being a little bit foolish. Why might a person feel timid on the first day of school? Remember, timid means a little bit shy or scared or nervous. Why might someone feel timid on the first day of school? Maybe because they're with a whole new group of kids. Maybe it's their very first day at a brand new school, right? That would be kind of scary. Or maybe they're just shy, right? Or maybe it's just because it's a new teacher. How did you feel at the first day of school this year in first grade? Were you a little bit timid? All right, today we are going to read a story called Mother Goose Rhymes. And these are some rhymes from a long time ago. Okay, let me make that a little bit smaller and stretch it out. There we go. All right. Let's see. Oh, it might not let me. There we go, I got it fixed. Okay, let's read these rhymes. Are you ready? Children have been enjoying Mother Goose rhymes for a very long time. Your grandparents and their grandparents might have enjoyed the same rhymes that you enjoy today. All right, let's start with one. Hickory, dickory, dock. Read along with me if you know them. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock. Have you heard that one before? Higgledy, piggledy, pop. Higgledy, piggledy, pop. The dog has eaten the mop. The pig's in a hurry. The cat's in a flurry. Higgledy, piggledy, pop. I hadn't heard that one before. Have you? But you know what I see? I see words that rhyme. Do you see words that rhyme? Let's see. Pop, mop, hurry, flurry, higgledy-piggledy. There's lots of rhyming words. Maybe that's why they're called rhymes. All right, here we go. I think you might know this one. Hey diddle diddle. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. All right, here's our last one. Starlight, starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. All right, how is a nursery rhyme like a folktale? Right? These nursery rhymes have been told from generation to generation, right? And so have folktales. That's kind of how they are the same. All right. Okay, we're going to read the words and then we're going to chop the sounds. Are you ready? Here we go. Ice. Let's chop the sounds. Ice. Ice. How many sounds are in that word? 2. Good job. Let's read our next word. Sell. Let's chop it. S-e-o. Sell. How many sounds are in sell? 3. All right. Let's read this word. Stage. Let's chop it. S-t-age. How many sounds did you hear in that word? 4. Great job. Let's read this word. Fence. Let's chop it. Get your choppers out. Fence. Oh, let's chop that one again. Fence. Fence. How many sounds did you hear? 4 sounds. Do you know this word? Pledge. Let's chop it. P-o-edge. Pledge. How many sounds did you hear in pledge? 4. All right, let's do this word. Race. Let's chop it. R-A-S. Race. I heard 3 sounds. Do you know this word? This word is chance. Let's chop it. Ch-ance. Chance. I heard ch-ance. 4 sounds. What's this word? Face. Let's chop it. Ace. Face. How many sounds did you hear in the word face? 3. Great job. Last one. What's this word? Slice. Let's chop it. S-o-ice. Slice. How many sounds did you hear in that word? 4 sounds. Great job. This week we have been talking about soft letters C, G, and D, G, E. What sound does the soft letter C make? S. Great job. What sound does the soft G make? J. And the soft D, G, E? J as well. Great job. All right, now we need to get our lion paws out and we need a tap. Here we go. D-ance, dance. O-ace, lace. M-udge, mudge. age, rage. All right, now on this one we have to fill in the missing letters or letter. All right, this is a face. Let's tap it. Ace, face. What letter is missing in face? What's our third sound? S. Now it's not an S, right? It's our soft C. F-A-C-E spells face. All right, let's do mice. Here we go. Ice, mice. What was our third sound? S. The soft C makes that sound, so it would be M-I-C-E, mice. Uh-oh, what is this? This is the edge. Edge. Let's tap it out. Ready? Edge, edge. What says J? D-G-E, edge, E-D-G-E, edge. All right, last one. Where is the moon at? The moon is in space. Let's tap it. Ace, space. What is our fourth sound? The soft C, so S-P-A-C-E spells space. All right, we are going to review our high frequency words. Here we go. From, any, happy, so, once, upon. Make sure you're practicing those at home. You can write them down. If you write them down twice on different pieces of paper, you can play memory or go fish to practice them. Those are always a fun way to practice our sight words. We read The Gingerbread Man yesterday, and we're going to go ahead and read it again. And this time, I want you to follow along and read with me. The Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time, there lived a little Graham and a little Gramps. They had a happy life, except for one big thing. They did not have any grandkids. I will make a grandson out of gingerbread, said Graham. That will be nice, said Gramps. So Graham made a little gingerbread man. Then she placed him in the oven to bake. At last it was time to take him out. Graham sat him down. She gave him a happy face. She gave him pants made of fudge icing. Just as she finished, the gingerbread man jumped up like magic. He looked at Graham and Gramps and smiled. Then he ran away. Graham and Gramps raced after him. Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man, the little man sang. Graham and Gramps did not catch him. The gingerbread man ran on and on. He ran until he met a black cow. Stop, yelled the black cow. You smelled good. I will eat you up. Yum. I ran from Graham and Gramps, the gingerbread man sang. I can run from you too. Yes, I can. The gingerbread man ran and ran, and the cow did not catch him. Next, the gingerbread man met a white duck. Do not run so fast, said the duck. I am hungry. You will make a nice snack. Yum, yum. I ran from the cow and Graham and Gramps, yelled the gingerbread man, and I can run from you too. Yes, I can, and the duck did not catch him. The gingerbread man ran on and on and on. He passed a red fox. Run, 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 just as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man, he sang.